guys, today I want to share a very important piece of information with you all through this video. So, to stay alive, what do we need? We need three things. One is food, water and air. We take all necessary actions for good quality of food and water, but we totally neglect air. The quality of air is a secondary concern to us, but as you know, things in the world are changing and we need to protect ourselves. Hello, beautiful people, my beautiful angels, my lovely community. Welcome back to my channel Self Love Notes, and thank you so much for clicking this video and choosing to listen to your friend Shabana. And I'm also very grateful that you have clicked this video so that we collectively review how we've been breathing till date. So in today's video, I am going to share a very short and powerful morning routine which I have been following to take proper care of my lungs. See, things are changing in this world. Health has become a priority for all, and certain organs of our body have to function 100%. So lungs is one of that, and I thought of giving a proper attention and care to the functioning of lungs. So let's begin the video. So the first thing I did to take care of my lungs was getting rid of all the air fresheners, scented candles, perfumes, all the products which had chemical fragrances like these ones. Yes, this too. Yes. I have been a fragrance lover all these years, but after listening to Anthony Williams' podcast, Anthony Williams is actually the author of the famous book Medical Medium. And when I was listening to his podcast, I was shocked to know that how chemical fragrances stick to our lungs for years, and how it has the potential to impact our immune cells. It actually impacts our body's ability to fight with the viruses. We all know we are in a time of human history where having a strong immune system is of priority. So it is very important that we start becoming very mindful of the chemicals we consume every day, because it actually lowers our immune system. I have been following Anthony Williams' work for quite a time now. He's an author of many best-selling books on health, but he is popularly known for his book Medical Medium, and he is also known for being the originator of the global celery juice movement. So what he revealed in his podcast was very interesting. It is interesting to know that how we will all train to enjoy fragrances by this chemical industry. And in this podcast, actually he gives a scientific explanation why it is important for us to avoid fragrances, especially when we have symptoms and conditions like migraines, headaches, anxiety, depression, body spasm, and burning skin. I'm sharing the link of this podcast with you all to refer below in this description box. So in today's video, I am going to share with you all some of the healing tools which I added to my daily routine to take care of my lungs and become less chemical sensitive. So there are few days of the week when I get up at 4 a.m. and practice two very important breathing exercises to make it easier for my lungs to function. Let me give you a short visual of what I have been doing till date. I do a 10 minutes of simple belly breathing exercise. Here I just breathe from my nose for 2 seconds and then let the air move into my abdomen up to the extent of expanding my stomach, and then breathe out until the stomach comes back to its original position. Again, for 10 minutes I do right and left nostril breathing exercise. Here I breathe from my right nostril 6 times, and then I do the similar breathing motion from my left nostril. There are additional benefits of doing this exercise, and those are: first, it lowers your stress levels, it reduces your blood pressure, and it regulates important bodily processes. So, after a very energetic early morning routine, I take my first herbal drink around 6:45-7, which is made of holy basil, mint, and neem. You can take in any of the form. It is available in powder as well as fresh leaves. But for me, powder version works because then it is available for you 24/7. But if you plan to take fresh leaves of all these herbs, please take just handful quantity of each. So let's prepare this drink. You need to take first 150 ml of water, half teaspoon of neem, half teaspoon of holy basil, and half teaspoon of mint. I take little lesser than half teaspoon of neem because I find the neem powder too bitter to consume. But if you are okay with bitterness, please go and have half teaspoon. Anything more than half teaspoon is actually too bitter to consume, but it's a choice. But preferably the half teaspoons of each herb is workable. Consuming this drink daily has a lot of benefits, but if you are unable to make it, then at least 3-4 times a week is also workable. Another option that I frequently choose is drinking lemon juice or water with honey. It's also very simple to prepare. Just take 150 ml of water, 1 lemon, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Drinking lemon water has a lot of benefits. I have made a separate video on the same earlier. I am leaving a link to that video in my description box. This morning drink gives your body the chance to flush out everything that is bad to make your immune system strong. So, after 30 minutes of morning drink, you can choose to snack on fresh fruits as your breakfast. I know many of you don't like it, but honestly for me, I find this one of the best choices of my day to start with. You can choose to go with any fruit, but I prefer bananas as they are 365 days available and cheap too. Just 10 rupees per portion. Isn't it amazing? I add 3 dates to it to give me that natural sugar kick for the day. Another great option to a healthy breakfast is a nice bowl of oatmeal. But limit the portion to only oatmeal and avoid any kind of milk. Be it vegan or animal based milk, and also avoid sugar or peanut butter, oil or carbs or any kind of animal product, even dry fruits. It should be a pure oatmeal. This will help your liver to develop a morning routine and process food faster for the day. In case you feel hungry in between, you can choose to snack back on some fresh fruits or go for a second round of oatmeal. Or a third option could be something like millet poha, but don't eat anything fatty or carb till noon. This actually gives your liver the chance to naturally detox your body. Let me know how did you find this video, and do subscribe to my channel Self Love Notes in case you have not. Also let me know in my comment box if you would like me to make a complete morning routine on how I keep myself empowered. And thank you so much and love you all. Bye bye, take care.